Hi, this is Sujata's Heaven on Earth. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, like and subscribe because it's good for me, and also I post my videos so every time you can get a notification and you will know when I'm posting my new videos, which I do every second day or so. So today I want to ask you, I have a question. Do you know of anybody who's a bully or a tyrant? Or are you one, knowingly or unknowingly? This is a weird question, right? But I'm sure we all have met in our lives somebody who has been a tyrant at home or workplace, or who is a bully. In my opinion, these people, they take away your freedom, your happiness, and your peace from you. So definitely this is coming from Satan. And these people, they make your life so miserable. And many times they don't even know it. And even if they do, they are very happy. Oh, because maybe it's a boss in the office, your boss, and he feels powerful and he feels he has a right to talk to you in a mean way. Um, or maybe you are the boss and unknowingly maybe this is what you are doing, talking to your subordinates, your colleagues, your co-workers, your staff in a bad way, mean, and in a rude manner. So I would actually like you to think about it. Why are you doing this? Let me tell you, if you do this, or if you know of somebody who does this, then maybe you can pass on the message to that person. What happens is, when you behave the way you behave, good or bad, now two things are happening. If it's a good behavior, it is fine. Uh, Everything is good, all is well. But if it is not a good behavior, if you are somebody who is a bully and a tyrant, two things are happening here, not in your favor. One, you don't know that the person that you are subjecting to your bully nature, you don't know if that person is in the good books of God. Now, when somebody is in God's good books, you better watch, because if you bother that person who is so close to God, who God favors, God will come down so heavy on you, you wouldn't know what hit you. I've seen this happening. God destroys people. Now, when this will happen to you, God forbid, the person whom you bullied, the person who is God's favorite, maybe that's you, maybe you are being bullied, your response to this situation is not happiness. It's not, yay, God is giving him teaching him a lesson. No, you have to get down on your knees and pray for the bully, for that person um, who has been a tyrant to you. Your job as a God's person is to pray for him and to tell God, don't, it's okay, but only let him know that he should not be doing this. But do not, guys, do not, if you have God's favor on you, I repeat, do not be happy when God destroys the person who is a bully and a tyrant. Okay? And if you're a bully and if you're a tyrant, watch out. I mean it. So you could be a nice person and you are under this tyrant person. So then you have a role. Your job is now to pray to God for this person who has been a tyrant, who has been a bully to you. Okay? If you want to continue to receive God's favor. So that's number one. So if you're a tyrant, God will destroy you. Number two, what you do in life, you are creating a situation where the same will come back to you. If you have been a good person, you have helped people financially, mentally, physically, whichever way, you will be suitably rewarded. God rewards you in the open. You know, He's seeing, He's watching, He will reward you. However, if you have been on the other end of the spectrum where you have been bad and mean, a bully and a tyrant, you will be rewarded suitably, and I'm sure you will not like that reward from God. So that's all I have to say today. So be very mindful of your attitude, of your mannerisms and behavior, because, guys, do not get into bad books of somebody who is in God's good books. All right? Till next time. Bye bye.